Want to inspire curiosity, perseverance, and wonder in your students? At Teacher-Created Materials, we believe that the key to engaging young learners is to spark their natural curiosity and encourage hands-on learning. This is why we've collaborated with the world-renowned Smithsonian Institute to create an engaging series of books that allows students in kindergarten through 5th grade to explore, analyze, and discover the world around them through a variety of STEAM topics. Immerse students in every component of STEAM: science, technology, engineering, the arts, and mathematics, with books that captivate. Then engage students in the engineering design process through STEAM challenges in each book. They even connect to STEAM careers with tips from Smithsonian professionals. Get your Smithsonian books today to captivate the next generation of problem solvers, critical thinkers, and makers.